Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to be sharing a get ready with me, and I'm going to be talking through my summer makeup and skincare. So as I mentioned before, I'm a Look Fantastic ambassador, so you guys can get 20% off the website using my code COCOBEAUTY. So let's start with skincare, and I'm starting with the Dior Capture Total Serum Lotion, and I absolutely love this. It gives my skin an amazing burst of hydration. I'm then using my By Terry Balm de Rose lip balm. This is my absolute favourite lip balm. It's so hydrating and nourishing, and it gives a really nice rosy tint to the lips. I've recently been using the Inkey List Hydroxy Acid. It's basically a potent salicylic acid, and it really helps to unclog pores and help to even out skin tone. I'm then going in with the Dior Capture Total Serum. This is a really hydrating serum, and it's just a really lovely base for me to then go on with my moisturiser. I've lost count of how many Origins ginseng eye creams I've been through. I absolutely love it. It really helps to counteract any darkness, and it really brightens and depuffs under the eyes. I'm using my favourite moisturiser, which is the Origins Ginseng Moisturiser. This is super hydrating, super nourishing, and it's a really good lightweight base as well, so your makeup will still apply really well on top. And on to my final and most important step, sunscreen. I use this even if I'm just staying indoors. So I use the La Roche-Posay sunscreen, and I really love it because it's lightweight and it's really fluid, so it doesn't feel heavy, and it also doesn't leave a white cast. Now on to my outfits. So I'm wearing these jeans from Frame. They're a recent pair and I love them because they're quite stretchy, so they're really comfortable to wear all day. And I styled it with a striped top from Under the Stories. This is the perfect summer top in the UK because it's not super hot over here. And now it's time for my makeup. I'm going to take the Benefit Professional Face Primer, and I'm going to focus this on my T-zone. This is a great primer for blurring out pores and any bumps on the skin. I have a little bit of discoloration around my skin, so I'm taking the Smashbox Colour Correcting Stick in orange, and I'm just going to try to neutralise those areas. So I'm applying this around my mouth and under my eyes, just basically anywhere where there is a little darker patch. And I'm just going to lightly blend it in, but not completely. I'm then taking the NARS Radiant Tinted Moisturiser. I have the colour St. Moritz, and I know it looks a little bit lighter, but it blends into the skin really well. This is a perfect base to wear, especially if you're used to wearing foundations, but in summer it can feel a little bit heavy, so this is a really good alternative because it's so lightweight, your skin can still breathe through the makeup, and it looks really glowy and natural. I use a makeup sponge to blend this in, but you can also use your fingers and it'll give a really nice skin-like finish. To conceal areas of darkness, I'm then taking the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I have the colour Ginger, and I'm applying this under my eye in a slight triangle shape. I'm then also going to create a line from the corner of my eye going up. This is basically just going to help to lift the eyes and make it look a lot brighter. I'm then trying to keep that concealer in place while blending it in with my makeup sponge. This is a great trick if you want to help brighten and just help to look more awake. My favourite bronzer is the Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess Powder in the colour Medium. This is the perfect just got back from holiday glow, and I like to apply this on my cheekbones, on my temple, my jawline. I use this as both a sculptor and also to add a bit of colour.